Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue with the iPad Pro 11. It won't turn on. Specifically, we'll be looking at hard drive damage as the potential culprit. So, let's dive right in. If your iPad Pro 11 isn't turning on, there's a chance that the hard drive might be damaged. In this case, the iPad might not be able to turn on at all, or it could turn on and then immediately shut off. To fix this issue, we'll need to replace the hard drive. This repair can be quite challenging, as it involves removing the screen, which is a delicate process. If you're not comfortable with this repair, we recommend seeking professional help. That's it for today's video. We hope this information helps you troubleshoot your iPad Pro 11 issues. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.